So here's my 65 whoop, a little bit battered. As you can see, I had to use a bit of wire at the back to hold it together, but I'm enjoying myself. More importantly, finally making a bit of progress with Acro. So here's a short video of flying inside to give you an idea of how it's coming. One thing I've done, I've limited the throttle. I found out how to put throttle limitation on a variable rotary switch, and that helps a lot. You can sort of drop down the maximum throttle while you're learning. I was doing that at first in Betaflight with rates of about 85%. That's kind of clunky. You could put on a switch, but doing it with edge test I think is much better. I was going to put a bit about it on the end of the video, but I decided I'll make a separate video on that. So here's how we go. As I say, the main point of the Air65 for me is just getting more used to taking off and flying in Acro. It's the whoop's getting a little bit battered. As you can see, you're getting the old flash in the video now, but considering what it's going through, it's holding up well. So pretty pleased with the purchase. So here we go, flight and sound effects. Bye.